Well, unfortunately, no April Fool's joke here. We are looking at the threat of severe weather coming in two different rounds. The first round going to come overnight tonight, primarily located there in southern Indiana. That'll be from 1 o'clock until 10 o'clock in the morning before the second, potentially more intense and significant round arrives later on in the afternoon. So tomorrow by lunchtime through 10 o'clock, we need to be staying weather aware as that will impact just about all of Kentuckiana. We're talking tornadoes, damaging wind over 60 miles per hour and large hail anywhere from about quarter size up to 2 inches in diameter. That's right around golf ball to the size of an hen egg going to be possible with any storm that fires up and gets going across Kentuckiana over the next 24 hours or so. Looking at the radar right now, not much going on, perhaps some light showers approaching 65 there in Jackson County as we have some storms that are off to our northeast. Also to our northeast going to be where that greatest threat of seeing the storms become severe for the folks around Cincinnati. Make sure if you do have family or friends over in that area that they have multiple ways to receive warnings, as I hope you do as well, because most of Kentuckiana is under a level 3 of 5 threat on that severe weather potential scale. As the storms continue to push off to the east, they will likely continue to gain strength and put down quite a bit of moisture, especially there in southern Indiana. Once again, that's where we have a flood watch in effect tonight, lasting through tomorrow afternoon. So getting you going on the timing here right around midnight tonight, we'll continue to see a couple of cells pop up across from Paoli over to Madison. Really just more of the same, even 4 o'clock in the morning. But that's when we'll start to see that line try to form and then begin to blossom over the course of the morning. But this is going to be more of an overnight event, especially because I do think that first round will be out of here before we even reach daybreak. But by Paoli over to Madison, make sure that you have multiple ways to receive warnings in case one is issued in your neighborhood tomorrow morning. Going into the afternoon, that's when we'll have the better potential to see some violent tornadoes across the city by about 1 o'clock, and then areas to the south by 4 or 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, especially if we see sunshine that's only going to be acting as fuel for those storms to become severe and pack quite a bit of a punch. Thankfully, though, it's out of our hair by about 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then we are way cooler in the wake of those storms. On Wednesday, we're going to be dealing with temperatures on either side of 50 degrees and some very light showers through the course of the day. We'll continue to keep that cooler weather around through our Friday as well. But once again, your weather threats for any storm that gets going overnight and for tomorrow afternoon's round going to be that strong wind, large hail, tornado, and we'll be watching for flooding as well. Best thing you can do right now, make sure that phone is charged up, replace your batteries in your weather radio, and just make sure that you are staying up to date with the forecast. As I mentioned, after these storms, we will be quite a bit cooler, but finally seeing the sunshine return. And take a look at next Monday, the total solar eclipse forecast. Not looking terrible. We do look rather cloudy, but temperature is going to be in the 70s. Doug?